such an honor and privilege to be part of the FDC 2026.
It's got something for everybody. Things you want to learn, people you want to meet. You get to share ideas, meet your friends, and really grow yourself as a professional.
Here at the Florida Dental Convention, we're having fun, meeting the different vendors. I'm excited to make so many connections here.
You've got to be in a place where you can share ideas with people, where you can share your thoughts with other people, and they can share back with you. That's going to make you stronger. It's going to make your practice stronger. It's going to make your team stronger.
Great energy, great people, always fun.